This is episode 5 of the Fakefluencer production vlog, and in this episode I'm basically going to try something different with you guys. Now, the goal of these vlogs, you guys have subscribed, and thank you very much and welcome to all the new subscribers. The objective of these vlogs is to both keep you guys engaged and updated on the film project, but at the same time we need you to engage your own networks and start to talk about the issues that have motivated myself and others to join the project. Those are basically can be summarized around the scammy nature of both the crypto economy and the regular global economy. Now, I just want to quickly pass through a few things that have happened over the last few weeks, and then I want to get into something a little bit more personal, take you back behind the scenes of actually like what motivated me to start this project in the first place and how I believe we together can actually improve the entire crypto economy through this creative endeavor. We started off a few weeks ago. We shot at Arlanda, Sweden's main international airport, where we had quite an interesting collision with a random guy there.
I'm a fake influencer.
You're fake influencer?
I'm a fake influencer.
Mate, we should get a fucking interview with this guy. Although that material may not make it into the film, it was very curious that we had a sort of on-the-spot interview where I stayed in character and sort of maintained this dialogue with this guy around the production. With Scooter Coin, the new difficulty adjustment is soon to be reached, which will allow for 2-minute blocks. So yes, you'll be able to mine. Yes, you can mine Scooter Coin. I've also been stacking up heaps of rehearsals with various characters from the movie, and running the lines, making sure that we're actually going to be able to perform when it comes to shooting time. I was able to fill the last final roles of the film. There is 26 characters, so now all roles have been filled, which is extremely satisfying. I also came across a guy called Torsten Hoffman that released at the beginning of this year a film called Cryptopia. I reached out to him as he's been on this journey specific to this niche for a couple of times before, and I wanted to pick his brains to see, well, what his experience has been and also how I can maybe contribute to the promotion of the Cryptopia movie going forward. I'd also like to welcome Adriana to the team. So Adriana has a background working with marketing and influencer marketing specifically, so she's going to make a great addition to the team, and I'm hoping that we will get a video up soon with her because she had 101,000 questions regarding the project. I believe it could make for a very good, insightful interview to share online about my motivations and also what the long-term objectives for the film project are. This film is geared towards those that are both working in the crypto economy and also crypto skeptics or crypto curious, those on the peripheries who believe that there is something untoward going on. And I mean, those of us that work in the industry and have been present for some time, who are disgruntled or disillusioned by what's happening in the industry, what continues to happen, and how we basically have business as usual. Nothing has evolved. This new wonderful technology has not really added any additional benefits, and my motivation for making the film is to critique that. I believe our shared values are within making that distinction between what we have today in the crypto economy and what we could possibly have. So this is a kind of call to arms, if you like. Those of us that have been operating in this space for some time have a shared responsibility to call out the scams where and when we see them. The crypto economy does have great potential and we are seeing some interesting innovations. However, it's still, to the crypto curious, those people outside looking in, it comes across as scammy and very inaccessible through being too hyper technical. So if this vlog is of interest to somebody you know, please do invite them to sign up at thefakefluencer.com, and if you hit the link below you'll see all previous episodes of this vlog. And I just want to say thank you for sticking with me here, and I appreciate all you guys that have joined the club on Discord and are contributing in the best ways that you know how. Again, thank you to all our new subscribers, and feel free to invite people that you believe will also like to join this fight against the scammy behavior in the influencer, especially the crypto influencer space. See you next time.